In the world of luxury SUVs, few names carry as much prestige and performance as the BMW X7M60Y. And now, for 2026, it's back. More refined, more capable, and ready to dominate the high-end market once again. The 2026 BMW X7M60i continues with the design language introduced in the 2023 facelift. That means sharper LED split headlights, updated taillights, and a more aggressive front bumper that gives this beast an unmistakable presence on the road. And let's not forget those standard 22-inch wheels. Bold, stylish, and perfectly matched to the X7's commanding stance. Step inside, and you're greeted by pure Bavarian luxury. Rich leather upholstery, handcrafted stitching, and the latest in tech, all centered around the BMW Curve display running OS 8.5. With wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control via the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, and seamless integration with the My BMW app, the X7 keeps you connected without ever compromising elegance. Seating up to 7 with a standard bench or opting for the 6-seat captain's chair layout, the X7M60i offers comfort no matter where you sit. Front seats are multi-contour heated, with available ventilation and massage functions. Because why shouldn't your commute feel like a spa day? And even the backseat passengers get premium controls. Heated seats, personal climate zones, and entertainment screens built right in. But don't let the luxury fool you. Under that sculpted hood is a beast waiting to be unleashed. The heart of the X7M60i is its 4.4-liter twin-power turbo V8, enhanced with 48V mild hybrid tech. This powerhouse delivers 523 horsepower, launching you from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. Impressive for a vehicle of this size. Mated to an 8-speed sport automatic transmission and xDrive all-wheel drive, the X7M60i handles everything from twisty mountain roads to snowy highways with ease. With features like integral active steering, M Sport brakes, and an electronically controlled M differential, this SUV drives more like a sports sedan than a family hauler. And thanks to the 2-axle air suspension, ride height adjusts automatically for comfort, sportiness, or even light off-roading. For 2026, BMW has made Parking Assistant Professional standard across the lineup. That means self-parking capabilities, 360-degree cameras, and intuitive guidance whether you're squeezing into a tight garage or navigating a crowded mall lot. And if you want to take things further, the optional Driving Assistance Professional package brings hands-free driving at highway speeds up to 85 miles per hour, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and more. This is the ultimate expression of what a luxury SUV should be: powerful, intelligent, and dripping in sophistication. So, is the 2026 BMW X7M60i worth the $113,075 starting price tag? If you're looking for a blend of performance, technology, and opulence in one cohesive package, absolutely. It might not be getting a full redesign until 2027, but the 2026 model still sets the bar high for what a flagship SUV should be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another luxury SUV breakdown. See you next time!